Breaking news. Trump just dropped a 104% tariff bomb on China. Markets are shaking, yields are spiking. And some are comparing this moment to the 1928 crash. But what does this really mean for you? And how do we prepare before it's too late? The US officially moved forward with a 104% tariff on Chinese goods. Trump says it's about getting a great deal, but the tension with China is boiling. Beijing is already threatening to retaliate with tariffs of their own. And if they don't back down, Trump has warned of an additional 50% tariff on top. Markets didn't take this lightly. Bond yields didn't drop like expected. They spiked. The move wiped out trillions in value from Wall Street. Oil plunged, the yen surged, and the offshore Chinese yuan, it hit its weakest level on record.
Lots of oil news, and it's not good in terms of pricing and in terms of the potential outlook for demand if we put all this stuff together.
Some analysts are even comparing this setup to the Great Crash of 1928. If this economic standoff continues, here's what we could see. Capital flight from US treasuries to Japan and Singapore. Yuan weakness leading to higher import prices. Global recession pressure. Bitcoin and other risk assets could correct, possibly to $76,000 or lower. A shift toward a new world trade order, away from US dominance. This isn't just politics, it's personal. If you're a business owner, your costs might rise. If you're a consumer, expect prices to go up. If you're an investor, buckle up. Volatility, uncertainty, and fear could dominate the next few months. So what can you do to stay ahead of this chaos? Here's the game plan. Stay calm. Don't react emotionally to short-term noise. Diversify. Don't just hold one type of asset. Look at commodities, global stocks, even stablecoins. Watch yields and currencies. These are signals of where capital is flowing. Build cash reserves. In uncertain times, cash is flexibility. Educate yourself on macro trends. This is not just about stocks, it's about policy, power, and strategy. We may be heading into a new era of financial warfare, where tariffs, currency manipulation, and alliances decide the future. But knowledge is your greatest defense. If you understand what's happening, you won't just survive it, you'll grow from it. Subscribe for more updates like this, and remember, in every crisis, there's opportunity for those who are paying attention.